Hello guys, welcome back to the video. uh, so today there is an update. As you know, I am an option seller and I take weekly basis trade on instrument Nifty 50. So I have already uploaded a video of entry video of this this particular trade on Tuesday. So I will be showing you the update or showing you the profit we made this week. So in this week we made a profit around 2000 rupees. So this was the range which we have expected. The market will expire today, but it is out of market. But before, no, it's inside the market. Yeah, almost in boundary condition. So yeah, this week we have entered on this day on August 5, and we holded the trade for 2 days, and we exited the trade today morning at around 10 o'clock or something. So we made a profit of 2000. So I will show you exactly what happened at that day. I will show the whole trade from Tuesday to till today. So this is the first video I am making after I have updated or modified my strategy here for option selling. I have already uploaded this new updated strategy for you, which is very precisely updated. Each and every segment is very fine-tuned to make profit here. So whatever rules and step I have provided in that video, please check it out. It will make the trading of this setup more easier and more profitable and more efficient. So in this strategy, you can just simply eliminate all the fear, FOMO. Just whenever we are stick to the rules, it removes all the fear and automatically disciplines inject in. Yeah, so I will show you the strategy what I used this week. So we will be trading on Tuesday at exact 10:30. 10:29 also is fine. So 1-2 minute margin is also fine. So that's not an issue. So we will be selling at premiums of which is around 60. So I will sell. I put premium of which is around 58. And I will purchase a hedge which is 100 points away of that particular selling leg. So in call side, we can sell premium of 57 and we can purchase a hedge which is away from 200 to 100 points. So okay, as per our strategy, the max profit should be from 3000 to 3400, and max loss should be from 4000 to 4500 or something. That's the range I already that's the profit and loss ratio that I follow. So in this case we can increase one. We have 0.7 range, so all our range will be 1.4. We can increase one. Let's say we will increase on call side. Okay, so this will be our trading setup. So max profit is 3100 and max loss is 4300, right? So it satisfies as per our rules or steps that I have given. So this was the exact trade that I have executed on Tuesday at exactly on 10:30. So let's go forward. Okay, so you know that till so this is Tuesday 10:30. So till Wednesday 12 p.m. we won't be doing any adjustment. If needed any adjustment, we will do after Tuesday after 12 p.m. of Tuesday. Okay, so whenever we will see a loss of 1200 or 1500, yeah, we will cut this trade and we will doing it at next week, right? Okay, let's see what happens on that day. So I will go 15 minutes at a speed of 15 minutes. So I'm just forwarding it. So you can see we are still in profit. And by the way, I just forgot to mention that the lot size that I have used was 2 lot, but yeah, we can calculate based on that whatever profit we get here. So this is about to end, the day is about to end. So you can see the PNL, it's around 500 at the end of Tuesday. So let's go next day, Wednesday. The starting profit is around 600. Okay, let's go till 12. Yeah, so around 12 o'clock it's still 900. Okay, so as per rules we can make the adjustment if we are in loss, or the break even range now it is 0.5. so as market goes lower, or like reach near to our break even level, if the percentage is 0.3, whenever the range is reduced to 0.3 from 0.5, we will do some adjustment if needed, or it's a rule, so we will make the changes. But let's see, but we will definitely hold for some. Okay, let's go. So in one moment I seen 0.3% when the trade was going on Wednesday, but within 5 minutes it's recovered back to 0.5. so I didn't did any adjustment. So let's see. So I think it won't be coming here. Okay, it's still 0.5. so it's around 15, I mean 315. Then the range is still 0.5, so there is no need of adjustment. Still, if you feel you want to do adjustment, you can still do it, because next day is expiry. So if market gives a gap down, so definitely you will be getting a loss at tomorrow morning. If it gives a tremendous gap down, the max profit on the expiry day, if it ends here, then max profit will be 4300. so if you're doing this strategy for first time, I suggest you just go with adjustment to secure or reduce the losses. But in this case I haven't did, because as per my rules it's 0.3 or lesser than 0.3, I will do the adjustment, but there is no point in doing right now. Okay, so let's move forward. Okay, now on 9:15, at the opening of the market was close to my range. I mean, it's like nearly close. It's 0.1% away from my break-even level, or the level from which the loss will start. So as per my rules, I will wait till 9:30. Once the first 15 minutes is over, then only I'll execute any trades. Okay, because the first 15 minutes is very hard to predict. I mean, fluctuation, volatility, scalpers, everyone is like in that particular time zone, it's so messy and volatile, so better to not execute at that level, because we don't know what's outcome after 9:30. so I holded the trade. So let's see, it went around 1000, so it's reversing back. So now we are seeing a profit of 1500, right? And it's 9:30. so as per my rules, we will exit the trade no matter what. We will exit the trade between 9:30 to 10:30. so in this case, we only have a range of 0.3%, and we are only able to get 1500 profit out of 300. so 50% profit we have. And if we don't want to take further risk, we can take this profit very easily, because we already had 50% of profit. And also, if we consider the loss is also less than this. If we like all our loss for this particular trade is 1200, which is lesser than this profit that we see. So almost we have achieved 1:2 or break even level, right? Almost we have achieved 1:1. Okay, so at this point, if you don't need to take further risk, we can book the profit. So what I did here is, I hold a 500. I give the market 500. I was ready to give a market 500 rupees for another 15 minutes. If market want to take it, it can take 500. But if market want to give it, it can give me further 500 or 1000. I mean, I will be cutting my loss, I'm profit with 1000 rupees, or I will be getting more if I hold it for 15 minutes. So I was willing to take that risk around 500 rupees. So as you see, it's around 1500. So in some point of time, see, I saw a loss, a profit of 1000 rupees, which was 1500 at initial level, which came to 1000 rupees. So at that level, when I saw this, I directly exited my trade, which resulted ultimately to 1900 rupees. Okay, so this is the two lot I have traded here. It's not written here, but yeah, I have traded in two lots. That's the reason it's showing this. So if you calculate it, it's basically 1000 rupees, right? So this is and see afterwards, once I exited that trade, afterward market went so much down. You can see it's almost our take took our profit and almost gave our loss. So this is the rule I have mentioned in the strategy already. So this is the reason I have tested for 7 months throughout, and it's very deep. You can check the backtesting data. I have also updated a Excel in which the backtesting data is there. Also I have shared the presentation that I have presented, so you can check that out. And these rules I haven't made it on personal level, but it's the thing I observed in the market. The 500 rupees trailing profit, whatever data, whatever levels I am giving, it's a logic because I have tested throughout. I have tested multiple times. When I am saying you should execute the trade at 10:30, it means that I have tested on 10:15 also, and I have got a different result, right? That's the reason I have. So the previous till this month I was doing this trade or executing this trade on the Monday. So I have shifted to Tuesday because I saw when I backtested on Tuesday at particular 10:30, I was getting more profitable trades, more win rate, more consistency, more probability on Tuesday 10:30. So I hope you all got that thing. The logic, the rules I have made. So strictly follow that. You can test backwardly. I also mentioned all the observation that I observed while backtesting for each trade, each weekly trade. So you can also check that. And if you wish and if you have a mindset to grow a very good level, you can definitely check this video and execute at this level also. Okay guys, so this is from my side today. Okay, I think there is nothing remaining to show you right now. Okay guys, then let's meet next video, right? Okay, thank you, bye.